Hey guys, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra final version camera spec are revealed. The phone comes with 4 cameras in the back setup. Despite have a 5x optical zoom and Galaxy S24 still support 100x zoom. The phone comes with 200 megapixel main sensor HP2SX sensor, 12 megapixel ultra wide which is Sony IMX564, 10 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom which is Sony IMX754 Plus. And the last one is 48 megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, and it's also support highest 100x zoom which is GMU sensor. Finally 5x aperture might be 3.2. According to the info, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy has been spotted on Geekbench 6 with the model number SMS928U. The device scored 2234 points in the single core and the 6807 points in the multi-core test. In addition, the benchmark revealed the S24 Ultra has a 8GB of RAM and running Android 14 out of the box. The chip apparently featured on the Core X3 CPU. However, the rumor that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 GPU is 40% more powerful than the 8 Gen 2 and also the 8 Gen comes with super efficient. Rumor also says that it's have 30% more efficient than Apple A17 Pro in the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. So next generation S24 Ultra not only get better performance but also get a better battery life. So let's see what happens in the future. So that's all about our video. If you found this video informative, don't forget the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care, Allah Hafiz.